Hey everyone, I'm Jason. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Superbox, and this will work with all Superboxes. So we're going to head down to the gear, press OK. Now we're going to head down to device preferences. Now we're going to head all the way to the bottom where it says reset. Right here. Keep in mind, guys, before you hit this button, this will delete everything in the box. So if you do have third-party apps, you're going to have to reinstall them. All your favorites, they're all going to be gone as well. This puts it back to factory. Okay? So press OK. Go down, reset. Now you have to head to erase everything. So this will take a good minute or two. Just gotta let it do its thing. So right now it's erasing everything. Don't worry guys, it's going to reinstall all the apps again back in there. The ones that are preloaded with the box. Here you go, so now it's reloading. This section here, once again, it's to adjust your screen size. Mine looks like it's 100%. Yours might be different. I got an Ethernet. My box is hardwired. If not, just head over to Wi-Fi, then enter your Wi-Fi password. My box is hardwired, so I'm just going to hit finish. There you go. So now we're going to have to reinstall those apps. So we're going to go to, let's go down to the App Store. So now we're going to do is head over to the three apps. The VOD, press on it, click on it, let it do its download. Blue TV, and playback. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for all the check marks. There we go. So I'm going to hit the home button on the remote. If there's any other apps there that you use, that's the time to download them now. And there you guys have it. So that's how you factory reset your Superbox. That's all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.